You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English. If you want to learn how to pronounce correctly the name of the philosopher, French philosopher, because many people mispronounce it, Descartes is how it's pronounced. Now, how do you say this one? Two different pronunciations in English. Cartesian, or probably a bit more commonly the pronunciation in English, Cartesian, or Cartesian, logic or math, from René Descartes. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.